Have you ever seen a simple piece of wood turn into a perfectly shaped design? This incredible transformation is made possible by the wood lathe machine. A wood lathe machine is a powerful woodworking tool that rotates wood at high speed. The wood is securely placed between two ends of the machine, and once it starts spinning, the shaping process begins. Using a sharp cutting tool, the craftsman carefully removes layers from the rotating wood. This technique is called wood turning. It allows the operator to create smooth curves, detailed patterns, and perfectly round shapes. At first, the wood looks rough and uneven, but as the cutting tool moves steadily across the surface, the shape starts to appear. Step by step, the wood transforms into something beautiful and precise. Wood lathe machines are commonly used to create table legs, chair legs, wooden bowls, tool handles, and decorative items. Each piece reflects the skill and creativity of the craftsman. One of the most satisfying parts of this process is the smooth finishing. As the wood spins, even small adjustments can make a big difference in the final design. Modern wood lathes offer speed control and better stability, making the work easier and safer. Different types of wood require different speeds and techniques for the best results. Safety is very important when working with a wood lathe machine. Protective gear like safety glasses should always be worn, and the cutting tool must be handled with care. In the end, what begins as a plain block of wood becomes a finely crafted object. The wood lathe machine turns simple materials into artistic creations. It is not just a machine, it is a tool of creativity, precision, and craftsmanship.